We cannot underestimate any contenders who are going to contest the election, whether in my constituency or the other constituency.
U MLA ka BJP na penthor umkra uba ALHEG uloong bagi kertong ki banyak kun persya ya ha u arhajar arpulai ki day ki baklan sudah bat kumtan nadu pasdang ulapan krek lupa. Kemencukudaw hang ni uba hek un hap banyak kun persya u MDC beminta ka maukar uba PNCM kumjuru yu uba Rocky hek badai upersa jong u.
Mentang yang pala abanong ilu nagano ka party banyak kun dala declare ya ka tiket sing sala ban matain ni kun nagano ka party ngaru ga mentang ngatai nam taga BJP ngango nganya kun naga BJP dan gi bawan na week gi ong bangiru nganya kun naga BJP mentang candidate hapo mokhar gi bon ha BJP candidate yenon ai tiket dadang impat declare yenon ai tiket ngin pala akhir banong manu banyale nagano ka party. I've been working throughout. I'm not a MLA who's working only during the election, number one. Throughout the year, wherever I'm available in stations, I meet the people, I work for the people, I listen to the people of my constituency. That is my way of functioning from the last 25 years. We cannot underestimate any contenders who are going to contest the election, whether in my constituency or the other constituency. Okay, maybe other constituency, I'm not so, but I'm concerned of my constituency. All the contenders, whether it is independent, it is from the national party or it is a regional party, they are all the strong contenders. We have to fight against all the candidates, all the contenders contesting in our elections, in my election. I don't see it will affect anything because the election is always election. The people understand whom to vote during the elections.